Once again, the markets flattered to deceive. While it wasn't a big bang start for us, but it was a start mildly in the green, chasing the global cues this morning. More importantly, we managed to linger around yesterday's closing price at least when we fell flat, and that's how we traded for the better part today. Not just that, in the last or latter part of today's trading session, we gave up even that flat move and actually dipped, closing in at the low point of the day, down about 0.5% and even breaching the 15,700 mark in trade for us, just settling around that level post adjustment. A downtick of about 72 points is what we saw on closing bell. On the flip side, the breath, while it flickered many a times between the red to the green, finally closed in favor of the declines. About 112 stocks standing to the reds on closing bell within the F&O universe, and 45 within the F&O listed universe standing to the advances. So much or well in favor of the declines is how we've shut shop. A 2:1 advance decline ratio, 2 being in favor of the declines. The market messaging is pretty clear. It's not the momentum chasers, but the dip buyers which are getting rewarded in the market. Just want to mark you through the flavor of for what was actually holding up and what was dragging as well in the market, because once again there were names like Maruti amongst the auto pack which continued to hold out. So a breakout of 5% yesterday, and today it held out another 2.25%. There was a Titan, Bajaj Finance, ONGC and M&M. These were all gainers in trade today, along with the Hero Motocorp and Ultratech Cement as well. Lots on the losing side. The Adani names, after 3 consecutive days of a rebound, finally gave up. Lost about 3.5% for Adani Ports. Similar was the move across Adani Enterprises as well. JSW Steel, Tata Steel, L&T, TCS, Kotak Bank, Shree Cement, ICICI Bank and Asian Paints were some of the blue chips which also caved in today's trading session. Talk about the broader market. BEL definitely reacted to its smart set of numbers. That stock was up 11% in today's trade on closing bell. City Union Bank, Lal Path Labs, L&T Finance along with Maruti were some of the top F&O winners. Some of the stocks which saw a good amount of OI addition, largely from the chemical space, PI Industries, SRF saw a huge build-up. Axis Bank, HDFC and UBL as well saw a fair amount of addition. Amongst the weaker contenders, while SEBI made it clear earlier today that their Heineken doesn't have to make an open offer for the UBL stake buy, that stock was a laggard, down about 4% today. There was NMDC, Adani Ports, Indus Tower as well as Gujarat Gas, which was also a laggard in today's trading session. But the one stock which was on everyone's radar was definitely Reliance Industries ahead of the 44th AGM, that is tomorrow. This is an important event. While the stock has once again gone in a bit of a limbo after having cruised past the 2200 per share price point from the levels of 1900 thereabouts. Everyone just wants to know what Mukesh Ambani tomorrow is going to talk about when it comes to the 5G rollout plan, whether he's going to talk about anything when it comes to the Reliance retail listing timeline or not. Tomorrow shows promises to be an exciting trading session.